Hey there, it's Kat, and today I'm super excited to show you how to pick up completed repairs. We're going to cover two scenarios, one with a repair slip and one without. Let's jump in. First, we're going to scan the repair slip into the Smart Search bar. This will magically pull up the customer and the repair in the transaction screen. We're going to navigate to the right side menu, select Pick Up Repair, and since we have no other transactions to complete, we'll hit Next to go to the tender screen. We're going to collect the money for the service, hit Save, and then scan out the items. Simple as that. Now, our customer comes in without their slip. No problem at all. Search for the customer and click Select on your customer. From the transaction screen, head to the side menu and click Create Pickup Repair. When you find the repair that needs to be picked up, simply double-click on it to bring it into the transaction screen. We're going to navigate back to that side menu, click Pick Up Repair, hit Next to go to the tender screen, collect our money, and then scan our items out. There you have it. Picking up repairs is a breeze and pretty satisfying when everything clicks into place. If you have any questions, our Solution Center has a ton of helpful articles. You can also chat with our AI assistant Judy or give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks for watching and have a great day.